Motion and Measurement of Distances, Class 6, Chapter 10. In the previous video, we have discussed arbitrary units of measurement, which are the length of the body parts. But these units don't give uniform result. They vary person to person, as the length of the body parts of the different persons are not same. Now our topic is standard units of measurement. In 1790, the French created a standard unit of measurement called the metric system. The metric system, so this was created by French in the form of standard units of measurement. For the sake of uniformity, scientists all over the world have accepted a set of standard units of measurement. And the system of units now used is known as International System of Unit, or we can say SI unit. Now SI unit of length is meter. You can see the meter scale in the pic. Standard units, SI units for the different physical quantities have been set by the scientists, and their values is internationally accepted. Everywhere they are accepted. Now meter is the standard unit of length. Now each meter is divided into 100 equal divisions, and these equal divisions are called centimeter. Each centimeter has 10 equal divisions, and these are called millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. For measuring large distances, meter is not a convenient unit. Now we define a larger unit of length. It is called kilometer. For measuring large distances, we can use kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Children, we can measure the length of any object by using a meter scale or measuring tape. Now measurement or measuring the length of curved line. How can we measure the length of curved line? For this, take a non-stretchable string or a thread and tie a knot at one of its end. Now place the knotted end of the thread at one end of the curved line and holding the thread steadily with your finger. Now stretch it along the curved line until you reach the other end. Spread the thread or place the thread over the curved line and reach the other end. Now make a mark on the thread where it reaches the other end. Finally place the thread along a meter scale and measure the length between the knot and the marked spot. This gives the length of the curved line. Correct measurement of length. How can we correctly measure the length? We use various types of measuring devices. We use a meter scale for measuring length. A tailor, when you go for stitching anything to the tailor uses a tape, whereas a cloth merchant uses a meter rod. Measuring tape is suitable for measuring the girth of a tree. You can't measure the diameter or girth of the tree by using meter scale. For this, we need measuring tape. For small measurements such as length of your pencil, you can use a 15 centimeter scale from your geometry box. So the length can be measured by using different devices. In taking measurement of a length, we need to take care of the following. First point, place the scale in contact with the object along its length. Children, you are seeing a pic. In figure, correct method of placing the scale along the length to be measured. The first figure, so this show the correct method. The second figure, in this the scale is not in direct contact with the object. So this will not give exact reading of the length of the object. In some scales, the ends may be broken. You may not be able to see the zero mark clearly. If the scale is broken from the edges, then we are not able to see its zero mark. In such cases, you should avoid taking measurement from the zero mark of the scale. If zero mark is not clear, then we can take measurement from the first point, and then we have to take the length of the object, and in the final reading we have to subtract 1 to get the length of that object. If 1 is also broken, then we can start taking from the second mark 2, and whatever our reading length of the object, we have to subtract 2 from that to get the exact reading. Now children, correct position of the eye. This is also important for taking measurement. Children, you are seeing a pic. The three students are taking the reading, but the second one, middle student, he is getting the correct reading because his eye positions are correct or in front of the reading.